Hi guys, this screencast is to go over the cascading style sheet um, based on an HTML document. So once you've created your HTML document, you can style, which means add color, add text to the background, align it whichever way you want it, and add different fonts. So this is a styling sheet. So we worked on HTML earlier, and this is all HTML, the style. Now this is CSS. This is your cascading style. So for this, I want to give the program the command that I need. If you remember, first of all, let's go back to what my original HTML looked like, and it looked like this. My original web page looks something like this. It was plain, it was a web page, but it was a very plain web page, right? So what I am going to do now is I'm going to create a style. I'm going to give it some style, background color, and then just change around some of the fonts and so forth, because this is what it looked like again before, and we're going to change what it looks like now. So to do that, to make that change, close out of there, and let me open the document just to have it ready. And what I'm going to do that is I'm going to use what is called the cascading style sheet. And here are some commands. So you open a one of these, you open that, and you're going to give it the command that the body, and where with HTML you have to open these tags and give it commands within the tags, it's a little bit different for the cascading style. You're going to give it the command, you're going to open a tag, and then you're going to give it the commands. So body, this is for my body. I'm going to open it up, and this is a command for the cascading style. I want to give it the color, and I'm using a customized color. And what I use to do my customized colors is I open Color Cop, and that's also a software that allows you to pick up colors. You know, you have your basic colors. You know, when you open your document or whatever it is you're working on, it gives you an option for different colors and that are already set to the computer. If you want to pick up a color to match something specifically, whether it's a logo or a piece of clothing, just to tie everything in together, what I use is Color Cop, and that allows, like a dropper, which allows me to pick up the color from the item that I want to match, and it gives me whatever that color is so that I can include it in my fonts. So that's a really nice trick to use. So anyways, I use Color Cop for this, and I wanted a specific color, and it not only gave me the color, which I can drop, it gave me the color code. And it's a variation. Color codes are a variation of numbers and letters, or just numbers. So this is just numbers, and then I'm telling it that this is the color, the custom color that I want. If it's something simple like black, white, gray, you can definitely just put the name, the word, and I just undid that. You can just put the word there, and it would give me a gray background. But I want the color that I had. It was a different color. So let me go back and look at my style sheet. I saved it in a Word document originally. You can do that if you'd like. There's no need, because you can always save it on your notepad, but I originally saved it on a Word document just to have a different document to have it on. And this isn't the correct one. I have another sheet, and let's see where that sheet is. And I'm going to show you what that color looks like. And I'm sorry about this, but I just really want to show you what that color looks like. I don't want to have a plain color. I want to have my custom color. anyways, let me go back to my styling sheet. And this is what my custom color looks like. This is what my web looks like when I open it. I've changed my colors. My page is no longer white, it's a set color. I've changed the color of my the different paragraphs. And these are also custom colors that I picked up. Further down, I've changed some, like the different headings, the colors of the different headings. I have changed the color of this box. Remember, it was gray and then it was navy blue, and I've changed it to this. So this is what my styled webpage looks like. I hope that this has been helpful.